sak pase, nap boule.
Welcome. In this edition, a look at the latest of a long list of tragedies that have befallen the Caribbean nation of Haiti. There was colonialism, the slave trade, the kidnapping of the recently duly elected president of Haiti, Aristide, horrific earthquakes, and now the dreaded disease cholera. Coming up, a talk with two men who have been fighting for Haiti. City Council member Matthew Eugene and artist-activist Smith George. Why there's been such a long succession of tragedies to visit Haiti? Why?
You know, you have to go back to history.
Yeah, why?
And, well, if you go back to Haitian history, you're going to see the Haitian experience is very unique within the black experience. A country that stood on its feet, that defeated colonialism, imperialism, and gained its own independence in 1804 by defeating the Spanish, the British, and the French. So, ever since, this country has been isolated because it was until 1862 that Abraham Lincoln recognized the independence of Haiti. So, and the attitude was, how dare you to create a black nation? At the time when all the surrounding countries, you know, had slaves from everywhere in the Caribbean, in Jamaica, in Belize, in Trinidad, a little bit of us use the drop everywhere. So this can be felt until today. And even though you can see pledges from the international community to Haiti, but it hasn't come through. Those pledges haven't come through. So it's as if there's a lack of compassion and for that country, and which I can say the Haitian people sometimes ask these questions. You know, why us? Why is so much happening? Man-made disaster on top of natural disaster have created this condition in Haiti, and there haven't been strong responses from the international community.
Haiti,